Today we're going to work on fractions, mixed numbers, and division expressions. So our goal for today is going to be to write division expressions as fractions. And we first probably need to understand what is a division expression. Expression is a group of numbers and symbols, and a division expression would be a group of numbers that are being divided. So for example, 3 divided by 4 is a division expression. We can rewrite any division expression as a fraction. The fraction bar really stands for division. Sorry about that. So 3 divided by 4 as a fraction would look the same way, 3 over 4. 3 divided by 4, because this fraction bar really means to divide. It's another way that we rewrite division expressions. So let's do another example. We have 7 divided by 11. We can rewrite this as a fraction. Fraction bar means to divide, so we write it exactly the way we say it. 7 divided by 11. Okay, let's try an example that's a little more difficult. Sometimes we get division expressions that we need to simplify. For example, maybe we would have 10 divided by 15. We rewrite this as a fraction, 10 over 15. But you might recognize that 10/15 is not in simplest form. In order to simplify a fraction, we think of a number that goes into the top, the numerator, and the bottom, denominator. The same number that 10 and 15 would be divisible by, and we come up with an equivalent fraction. So I know 5 is a factor of 10 and 5 is also a factor of 15. So I'm going to divide by 5, the numerator and the denominator. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So this division expression in simplest form is 2/3. Let's try another. Let's say we have 5 divided by 4. We rewrite this as 5/4. Now you might notice this is an improper fraction. All improper fractions can be rewritten as mixed numbers. Since this bar means to divide, let's just solve 5 divided by 4, but using long division instead. So we put 5 inside of the box. Make sure you put the first number inside the box, divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract to get 1 left over. So our mixed number is 1, and the remainder over our divisor, 1 and 1/4. This is one way you can solve 5/4 and convert it into a mixed number, but it's not the only way you can solve that. Try one more example for today. All right. Try 14 divided by 4. This is a division expression. We're going to rewrite it as a fraction first. That would be 14 over 4. This is also an improper fraction since the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we're going to divide this and turn it into a mixed number because we want to simplify it. So inside of our box goes 14. We're dividing it by 4. So these are 3 different ways you can write the same division expression. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract and get 2. Our mixed number is 3, with the remainder over the divisor, 3 2/4. We can simplify 2/4 into into an equivalent fraction by dividing the top and bottom by the same number. I know they both share a factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 3 2/4 is equal to 3 1/2. So this is the answer to this division expression here. 14 divided by 4 simplified is 3 1/2. Even though we wrote it lots of different ways, this is the simplified answer, 3 1/2. Good luck on your homework tonight. You're going to be working on writing division expressions as fractions in simplest form. Great, so